This week, gold saw its sharpest one-day sell-off since 2020, while small mining stocks got a bump from a critical minerals deal signed between Australia and the US. Welcome to the Morningstar Market Minute, where we recap the key events of the week in financial markets and how we're positioning the Morningstar portfolios. Gold saw a sharp sell-off, falling 5% from its all-time highs this week. Having enjoyed a spectacular rally year to date on the so-called debasement trade, the volatility reminds us that the asset can still be vulnerable to speculative excess. Indeed, with no cash flows to underpin its fundamental valuation and a relatively small tradable market, drawdown risk has long been a feature to be aware of. Meanwhile, the highlight of our Prime Minister's visit to the US was the signing of a strategic framework agreement to invest in mining and processing of critical minerals and rare earths. The announcement saw a strong rally in a number of small rare earths exposed stocks on the ASX. However, it's important to note it's too early to quantify the specific beneficiaries of the deal. Elsewhere, all eyes will be on US CPI data, which will be released on Friday night our time, ahead of the next Federal Reserve meeting next week. At Morningstar, we don't want to get caught up in the short-term fads, but rather we anchor ourselves in long-term fundamental valuation. Long-term investing success is about the consistent application of a strategy rather than short-term speculation. Well, that's it for this week. We look forward to seeing you again next Friday.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.